All right, we're going to use my screen record feature on my iPhone. Find the Reolink app, that blue R. We're going to click on it. And I happen to have been in this screen when I first got there, so I'm going to go back to the home screen. I see some of my cameras there. I'm going to click on one of my cameras. Once I get in there, let's do a little walkthrough. You can change the resolution by Fluent or Clear. Clear is higher, so we're going to choose Clear. After we choose Clear, there's a couple other things we can do here with the app. We can watch our recorded events. When we click on the recorded events, we can actually change the date if we want, or we can look down there at the blue bar and find where an event, a lighter blue segment is. I'm going to click the three little dots next to the date to open up a grid view of all my recordings, and then I'm going to select one of my recordings so that I can download it. You can download it by clicking that down arrow up on the top of the screen there, or you can also view your video in a much faster rate by clicking that 1x and changing it to be faster. I've downloaded the link, I'm saving it to my device, and there you go. Of course, I'm using an iPhone, so it goes to my camera roll. The directions are a little bit different for Android. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, save, do all the great things so I can give you some more tips and tricks.